Get excited about the 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this hatchback hits the mark with consumers demanding economical versatility. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Volkswagen's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 112-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.